Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric and today we're going to take a test drive in this 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250. As always in a test drive and a POV test drive, I'm not going to talk too much, so if you want to hear all my thoughts, just make sure to click on the link in the top right hand corner to find my whole review where it's give you all my thoughts and we test all the details you can test. And yeah, otherwise all sets on the right hand side, and as this is a city POV drive, we're obviously gonna do an acceleration run. Alright, here you can see it just rained the last few days, so excuse the water on top of it. And other than that, I would say let's go for a drive with the beautiful gray, I think it's white, but officially it's gray, and black interior. Right now I'm having the classic mode designed for our gauge cluster and our infotainment. And the different POV drives I use different modes, so if you want to see those, make sure to check out the other POV drives. We also have a night drive where we test the headlights, and a highway POV drive where we do get to test a little bit of handling too. Let's put it into sport mode. Nope, sport, there we go. Gonna let it shift by itself. Or I'll just have to quickly wait on it to shift. Okay, so we kind of have to wet the truck, we can't stop, but plenty of quick subshift manually, so it doesn't hold the gear. Unfortunately, because of the truck, I couldn't stop there, which we normally do. I waited on that traffic light for like a minute, and the exact moment the truck comes, of course, it switches. But whatever, that is fine. Let's go back into comfort and put our map onto full screen. There we go. Hey Mercedes.
How can I help?
Turn on seat kinetics.
Okay, I'm switching on seat kinetics.
Let's actually give a brief look. Let's take a look at the augmented reality navigation. Hey Mercedes. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Navigate to CN Tower.
I am starting route guidance to CN Tower, Toronto.
I'm not going to drive all the way to the CN Tower.
300 meters at the traffic light, turn left onto Eastern Avenue and then turn left.
I'm going to drive a bit of a different way, but
Your
this is what I want to show you
destination
here.
is in Western area.
Because it's not now going to show up. You can see that in the gauge cluster. I'm going to get a bit closer here.
Please follow the road.
There you can see it's already showing up there a little. But you can see it right there. And that's going to hover over the intersection then.
Now turn left and then turn left.
I'm going to turn left here though. Oh, up there. I'm just going to drive the regular route from now on. I just wanted to show you that real quick. It is pretty neat. Most of the time it's kind of a gimmick, but in certain situations
Now
it can be
turn
helpful.
left onto Logan Avenue.
What are we doing?
In 100 meters, turn left.
Hey, Mercedes.
onto Boot. How may I help you?
Cancel route guidance.
I am canceling route guidance.
See, I want to see if we can get a parking spot anywhere here so we can let it park itself, but does not look like we will. Ah, too bad. Whatever. I'm going to show you that in the full review. Gonna stop her right here real quick and end the video. All right. So that was a brief test drive in the GLA 250. Like I said, the full review is either in the top right hand corner or on the left hand side of your screen in just a few seconds. And yeah, there's not much more to say. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, make sure to check out the review, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.